What's up everyone, welcome to the Speedcube.co.nz YouTube channel. My name is Mike and today we are bringing you the recap of the first Kiwi League match of 2021. It's Lucas O'Connell versus Adrien Auvray-Matyn. Now I got cut off early at the end of this live broadcast and I wasn't able to do the thanks I was going to. First of all, I just wanted to thank Liam for coming up with this whole idea and hitting me up to help him with it. Chris for hosting as well and for giving us some advice on format and all that kind of stuff. Adrien and Lucas for being really good sports and being our first competitors. Someone had to go first and it ended up being those two. And also tech support Tim G, who is hosting the stream on his computer. We found out pretty early in the process that my computer just wasn't going to cut it, so we needed Tim's big brain and big computer to help us actually pull this off technically as well, and Tim's been amazing. Also to Philippe aka Laser Monkey for allowing us to take his format and adapt it for a New Zealand only competition. We really appreciate it and thank you so much for starting Monkey League. It's such a cool idea and we're really pleased to be able to expand on it. So I've made two versions of this video. The one you're currently watching is an edited version and the other one is a full raw uncut version of the stream. I'm interested to know what you think. If you have a preference over the full or edited versions, please hit us up in the comments below. After all, we're making this for you to watch, so I want some feedback about the format in which you would like to watch it, be that unedited or slightly more trimmed. The link to the other video will be in the cards. Anyway, enjoy this match between Adrien and Lucas, and we will see you in the next one.
Yep.
Pretty sure. Maybe
ready.
not. I guess it's
Adrien,
first 25.
first
Whatever.
off. He's gonna
Even
vote.
I don't know the format. Okay. Looks like he's hasn't decided on a colour yet.
8
Maybe he's going
seconds.
for white here.
So white.
It looks like he's going for white. With a locky cross. Okay. Finished F2 at a reasonable pace.
Okay, good
Into
ball
a
player.
pretty fast U-perm and not a bad solve. Because of Lucas's setup, he is currently not using a stack map because he's at his friend's
8
house.
seconds.
And the way his webcam's set up, he can't really have it on the table with a cube cover.
A bit low.
A bit low. We'll get him to change this angle
Yeah,
so we can actually see the solve.
Ah, sorry, I stopped it
No,
with in my hand as well. All right, ready? 3,
Yep.
2,
Tell me
1,
when you're
go.
Okay, Lucas starting the second solve now. Currently, Adrien is winning 1-0. Cool to see if
8
Lucas
seconds.
can pop off a couple of times.
Go a bit low.
Still a bit low, so we can't actually see the solve. Sounds a bit slow at the moment. Oh, he's lifted it up.
Oh,
All right,
And
sweet.
pretty lucky there.
Yeah.
Right, I'm just excited to see what sort of time
Sorry.
Adrien
8
manages
seconds.
to get. Because he's been popping off a bit today. He got like a PB average of 6.05 and he got a couple of full step 4s as well. So it'll be cool if he can get those similar times in competition. His solve doesn't look great, but it's fine. He only had to beat an 11, so I think 8.5 there from Adrien. What's your predictions on the score at the end of this match, Liam?
I'm thinking Lucas could win a couple of them. Cause
Yeah.
I don't think Adrian's gonna get like pure sub 9 or whatever necessarily, but I think Lucas could win a few.
Ooh.
But I think Adrian's got it in the bag already.
Looking nice.
That was pretty
Did
good.
he just do a wide T-perm
6.7.
A-perm and still get a 6.7?
He always uses
I
that.
think he just did. Jeez.
I think him and
This
Judge
man's
are
nutty.
playing to use that.
What? Yep.
Yeah, I reckon Lucas will win 4 solves. That's my prediction.
I'll go with 5 or 1 up you.
Oh, okay, you're going up. Hey, we can actually see the solves this
Yeah.
time. Doesn't look too bad. Massive pauses.
Yep. All right, Adrien wins. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Looks like blue cross is happening here. I think. Oh, yellow
Looks
cross.
like yellow, actually.
Yeah.
His solve's actually looking alright.
Yeah.
There you go.
Go.
It's like an 8 or something.
866, okay. Okay. He's looking at a yellow cross at the moment by the looks of it. Scramble looks okay. Can't really see anything at the moment. Okay.
But
Decent cross, bit of a pause afterwards.
pretty good.
Oh, okay, no, he's
Good
okay,
one,
he's
player.
okay. There we go. That's a 7.5-ish? 6.6.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oliver Jinx.
By the other person's solve. Because you're allowed to watch the solve if you want to, so you can use that to help with your solve as well. So it is an advantage to go second.
There's red cross on this one.
Ah, yellow actually.
Oh, this guy. I was holding it like that.
That was a lot of moves for the last 2 pairs. Oh, and a bit of lockup on the G-perm. 779, so a solid solve.
Yep. Alright, yep.
And we're back to not seeing the solve. Oh, never mind. He's going for a blue cross. Decent allow into an old V-perm. Lucas, get out of 2018 and learn that new V-perm.
Yep, ready.
Right. Red cross from Lucas. Looks like a pretty lucky F2L, but with bad timing and recognition.
Yeah,
Pretty lucky OLL into a 904. Right. Adrien on a 6-0 here. He's looking to get 6-0 in the match. Looking like he's going for a yellow cross also. Or red.
Red cross on this one. Pretty good F4.
A solid PL, I like.
7.4.
So 741 for Adrien last solve. Pretty solid. He's been consistently doing sub 8. He's only had one solve slower than 8 seconds so far, and all of the other ones have been around mid 7 or faster. Another T-perm, A-perm. 650.
Wow.
Yep.
How long until Lucas wins his first solve then, Liam? What after this? Did you just do M2 in the cross? Oh, this solve's looking alright. Oh, he did know the ZBLR. Very impressive.
Alright, ready.
Loving the pink headset from Lucas right now. He really rocks it. Looks like he's got painted fingernails as well.
Yeah, I think he had better fingernails at Nationals coming there.
Quite a lot of posters.
Yeah, 9
So 8 plus 168, so he should have no problem with it. Doesn't seem to be feeling any nerves at the moment, so it's going up pretty well. Very cross for Adrien here. They have a long cross. He might have been doing some keyhole stuff.
That was a really nice last layer. 6.9. How long stiction? It's still quite nice. I think another 6 here anyway. 6.98.
3, 2, 1,
Go
go.
against Adrien.
Albeit, if we both win our respective quarterfinals match, then we'll be facing each other in the semis. Because we were second and third seed. Solve's looking okay. Oh, never mind, he messed up cross. Lots of pauses from Lucas in this current solve.
3, 2, 1, yep.
So he's got a couple of souls to prove me right. Otherwise, I'll be very disappointed in you, Lucas. Ooh, the solve looks good. Might be an easy scramble though.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Very nice. I think that was a 7.
You can do this one.
Okay.
Yeah, possibly. Let's see if Adrien does get another 6.98 on this one.
Okay, the scramble's not too easy, so I just had a look at it right now.
Does look quite nice though. I think.
Oh my goodness. That was
6.5.
Yeah. That's so amazing.
We get sub 7 here, it's pure sub 7 after 5 in the last 5 cells.
Yeah, it's gonna mess up immediately.
I
Oh,
think this might be a 7 or an 8 this time. 7.2.
729.
3, 2, 1. Yep.
Doesn't solve this. It's gonna be pretty embarrassing if he doesn't even get one.
This is pretty good.
I look like a
That
decent
one?
solve.
6. He wasn't not far
Oh.
off.
62.
Right.
I mean, so
3,
clutch.
2, 1. Yep.
So this is when I predicted that he would get his first one. So let's see if it happens. Seems like
See
a
what
quite
chat's talking
nice
about.
scramble.
How many chat about it? Oh, he paused for the entire history of the universe for that first pair. Crystal Solver's been alright though, although he still is using that old V-perm. But there's a first for everything. Taking a while to find his cross. Looks like he's settled for a white cross here. Collecting for around 8 seconds. Ooh, very fast first two fires, and
Really
this
nice.
isn't looking like. Ooh,
7. 7.5.
they have a DD prime V going on there, but still 7.4. So Scramble looks average. Looks like he's going for an orange cross. Probably a good choice looking at this. Decent cross. Ooh, bit of a lock up on the first pair. All round, pretty good extra. And ooh, bit of a lock up on the yellow. 837. Okay, this is beatable for Lucas. Higher in the entire match so far.
Cool.
So
Yep.
it didn't look like a great scramble, but I'm sure Lucas can still pull out an 8.37 if he keeps his recognition up and he doesn't turn too badly.
This looks as 2
It's actually
cells so far faster than that. It's definitely possible.
Yeah, exactly. Decent so far.
It's quite nice.
Very decent. Ooh, last pair was a bit rough.
Oh no.
Nah, not looking for 8.3. So close though. 952.
Yeah, okay. Yep.
Hey, Lucas starting with this off now. Decent start. Ooh, this solve's looking pretty nice so far. We're really on to last layer. Very nice. Into a U-perm. That's a 7.
8.4.
Never mind. It's 8.45.
You can definitely win the
Not
first
bad.
one.
We'll see what happens now. What are your guys' predictions in the chat for the final score? I'm saying I'll move into 25-2 now, I reckon. Bit of a lock still from Adrien. I think this might be the solve Lucas wins. I think it's the solve. What was that? It was too blurry. I couldn't see it.
7.7.
Oh no! Oh, we've got to
I'm
get
ready.
it. 25-3, 25-0, 25-1, 25-1. Most people are thinking that Lucas is going to at least get one solve. Which, yeah, I believe him. 25-2, I reckon he's going to. It's solve from
25-0
Adrien.
to
Bit of a
Lucas,
lock up
Fox
or a
says.
pause. Ooh, very solid last layer. The turning was perfect there. A bit of a pause to recognize the end part, but
So everyone's predicting either 0 or like 1, 2, or 3.
I
yeah.
can turn my camera back.
I'll
on
go
and
with
off.
2. I think Lucas is pop off at the end. I think Adrian's slowing down a little bit, but he is coming back.
Yeah, he
himself. Low 7s.
Ooh. Pretty poor third pair from Lucas. And another old V-perm. Lucas, what are you doing?
Oh, okay.
Ready.
So I believe next week's match will be me versus Finn, and then we'll have the match that's going to be this week after.
Listen.
Oh, that's alright.
867. Yeah, Adrian's not making nerves or anything either. So
No, he really hasn't. I mean, that's fair enough because he's pretty substantially faster than Lucas. So.
Yeah, I'd say he has some of the best moves with pistol as well. Considering he did have the 584 in his finals.
Yeah. It sounds looking
I
alright.
look at it.
I don't think it's going to be an 8.
Starts
I
winning
really
every
would. Looks like Adrian's doing Nemo right now because he's got all the fingers on the pieces. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh,
Next question, probably.
I'm pretty sure he could have done a
6.98.
YouTube.
Already.
That into UPerm instead of doing this in the back. So I don't know, we'll have to rewatch that, but I think he might have made a mistake there. What's this all looking like?
Not so soon, it's still pretty good.
Yeah, Lucas is going to be solving
Cool.
first.
Already.
Seems to be averaging about mid-8 at the moment, so he's going to go into his inspection. Looks like he's going for a yellow cross now. I don't think he's planning his first pair because he doesn't usually do that. Okay, yellow cross. Pretty solid so far. A bit of a lock up on the second pair there. Oh, and he's already on to last player, and he gets 3 twisted corners, and he has a soon UPerm, so pretty decent.
7.6.
7.6. Okay, this might be the solve. Okay. Looking to beat 762. One of Lucas's fastest solve, but it's not his fastest solve. Tied fastest solve so far. Adrian's looking alright though. Oh, he blocks up! Oh, he's lost it!
Yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah. No way.
Doesn't want to
That's
solve.
crazy.
Well, at the start I think it's a 25-4, but I changed it to 25-2. So
I'm like 25 too, damn. Okay, we have the same prediction.
great minds think alike. Okay, Adrian's going for his 19th solve now, I believe. Pretty terrible second pair. He had a bit of a pause, but no, he's still doing alright. Lucky OLL into a okay pillar.
Maybe Lucas could just take him, mate. Yeah, it's like
Lucas
25.
takes 2 in a row. maybe not 25, but I reckon he can get a second one in a row. 8.7 is very big for what Lucas is doing at the moment. I don't know if he's seen the time that Adrien got. Ooh. Oh, nah, this isn't looking like a sub 8.7. Ooh, maybe. Maybe. I think that's like a 970.
9.3. Okay.
Yeah, that's disappointing. The guy's streaming this, firstly, and he's also judging, so he's doing people's
I'm ready,
inspection. But he's got his
So no
mic
one's
muted
started
just so
inspection.
there's less crowd at the moment, so you guys can hear us and the solvers better. No, the competitors cannot hear Liam and I. They have got us muted, so all they will hear is the judge, which is Tim. Ooh, bit of a lock up on the PLL there, but not awful. Glad Lucas has got a solve at this point. Like,
Yeah, I mean,
at least he can walk away with his head high. Ooh. He did some fancy stuff there. I'm not sure what that was. But like the right OLL.
8.4.
844. Okay, 20 solve here. Luke's doing a bit of blind practice right now. Lucas. I don't know what to say. White cross. Not a great cross there. He kind of hesitated before putting the last pair on. He finished the F12 still pretty fast. Looked like a PLL skip to us, but
yeah, it did. 738.
Already.
He's doing pretty good. It's exciting to see him actually like perform well in a competition. Like we all know that recently he hasn't done so well in 3x3 at official competition.
Yeah, I really want to get in our average at some point, anyway. Like he's been so close so many times.
What he's got in his YouTube series, he's got part 5 to NR so
Already.
Adrien is going to Taranaki. I've just checked.
Oh,
So he's got 2 rounds next month.
Is he registered?
And then hopefully he's registered.
Oh. So I'm not top 3 in Scoob anymore.
I'm predicting that Adrien will have a sub 7 official average by the end of the year.
Yes, definitely possible actually.
Not leaving it wide open for Adrien on this solve. Bit of a Monkey League reference for you guys. Okay. Everything's going for white though. Ooh. Alright. It's pretty inefficient to well.
It could be a high 8. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
That's different.
Okay, Adrien first. He's in the bowl as the cube cover. Very meta. Okay, yellow crosshair. Ooh. Very good first 2 pairs, but kind of lacking on the third one. Still an amazing last layer. It's a 629. Last solve of the session.
Ready.
Perfect turning in recognition on the last layer there. Lucas gets a 46 right now.
628 for Lucas. Here we go. It seems quite nice. I think it's good.
Ready.
Yeah, I believe. 2 more solves in the match, guys. Or, well, maybe more. Maybe 27 more solves in the match. Who knows? If 24, Lucas wins the next 24. Easy peasy.
Nice.
Ooh, that was
8.03.
nice.
Well, it looks like Adrien is going better again.
Come on. Come on, Adrien. Mess up. Come on. Gotta give another win to the underdog, Lucas here. Oh, what is this solve? Oh,
Is that?
Hey Liam, do you reckon Lucas is gonna get one more win in the last couple of solves, or is it just gonna be a 25?
He's gonna get so beat it by like 0.02 on the very last one he needs.
0.02 on the very last solve.
Oh, really?
You know this idea, right? Oh,
Still not 6.6 in the massive form.
Like a 2-second pause for recognizing
It was
that.
ZBL.
That could have been a 5.
What do you think?
Cool. Ready.
Definitely in a 5.
Alright, Lucas beats the solve. Okay. Pretty far so far. Oh, bit of a pause on that third pair there. Ooh. Each one was a little bit lucky. 10.1. Okay.
I'm ready.
Yes.
Lucas is going first. Potential last over the match.
Oh, I'm going. Yeah.
Solid. Ooh, he messed up cross. This isn't looking good. Oh, and a lock up on the last
I
pass.
might need to take my prediction there.
Well,
Unless Adrien gets an
That's
11
gonna be
I think that's the end.
11-2. I think that's gonna be it. We're pretty embarrassing if Adrien loses this solve of all
I'm
solves.
ready.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure if it's at the
Adrien's
time,
definitely
so
got this.
you might just full speed and get a DNF or something. I don't know. You can dream. It looks like he's taking it pretty slow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Adrien wins the
Adrien.
first match.
Gonna win it
What
25
was
to
this one?
1. So
So
a bit
Adrien-
one-sided.
Oh,
That's
So Adrien
it,
738 million and Lucas 934.